The Spanish phrase siempre y cuando, which translates to as long as or provided that, establishes a condition necessary for something else to occur or be considered true. This conditional phrase is pivotal in today's really weird lesson.
Yeah, listen up. Here's a phrase that shines. Siempre y cuando through the Spanish vine. It means as long as a condition to meet a concept so cool it can't be beat. Siempre y cuando you're in the zone. Spanish learning will make you grown. It's a gateway to fluency. Stand grand. Siempre y cuando you take command. Siempre y cuando you're in the zone. Spanish learning will make you grown. It's a gateway to fluency. Stand grand. Siempre y cuando you take command. Siempre y cuando studies, you'll see your Spanish will flourish. Just let it be in condition set. It's not a race, but a steady journey in language chase. It's like provided that a guiding light. Siempre y cuando makes Spanish bright. A grace so key in conversations it'll weave, unlocking fluency. Just believe. So there you have it, a phrase so fine. Siempre y cuando, now you can shine. Keep practicing, let your skills grow, and siempre y cuando will be part of your show.
Now that was weird. Until we meet again, hasta la próxima.